Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of Edifier EvoBuds Pro. So here's the packaging. EvoBuds Pro silver color. I think that's the only color available. Packaging looks good actually. So let's take a look inside. Inside you get warranty papers and information. EvoBuds Pro, the model number, manual, the guidelines, power on and off, that sort of stuff. Oh, there's app link as well. You can scan the QR code and get the app. Edifier connects. Yeah, app available in both Apple App Store and Google Play Store, so that's good. Okay, that's the star of the show, the actual product itself. Looks very shiny. The finishing is really good. It's gorgeous. Satisfying. Okay. That's the right bot. It's the left one. Looks amazing. USB-C port for charging. Edifier logo. Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Indicator light. The buds themselves have, I think this is microphone. Yeah, and touch sensitive buttons. It is so beautiful. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but this product is amazing, incredibly gorgeous. So that's it. Thank you.